least, lalago yung pagmamahal mo sa akin. Kaya konti ang tao dito kasi walang event. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Tongkangkang Market. Ayan. So, bumibili si Papa Jumar ng kalamansi. Magkano siya, mahal? Ha? 55,000 keep ang isang kilo ng kalamansi, guys, dito sa Tongkangkang. Ayan. Ano ito? Ano ito, mahal? Sibuyas. Bili tayo ng kalamansi, guys. Ayan, si Papa Jumar. Tama ba? Instead of bouquet of flower, yung buhay na lang na flower, tatanim ko sa bahay. At least, lalago yung pagmamahal mo sa akin. Ano yan yan? Oh? Alright, so nandito kami ngayon sa palengke at namamalengke si Jumar ng isda. Ang dami. Okay na yan. Okay na yan.
A few moments later.
Kaya nga. So, ito yung wet market nila, guys. Kukunin lang natin yung isda na pinili natin. So, nakabili na kami ng isda. Pinalinisan namin. So, babalikan lang natin. Tapos na. Tapos na yata. Hindi pa natapos si ate. Linisan yung isda na pinili namin. Ito yung pampano. Ayan. Pampano, pampayas. Babalik na kami, guys. Yan. Pauwi na kami. Tapos na kaming mamalengke. Let's go! Pagkasulina muna tayo, guys.
A few moments later.
Alright, guys. So, nakabalik na kami dito sa bahay. And ngayon, itatago ko na itong mga isda. At magluluto na din tayo. Bumili kami ng 3 klaseng isda. So, yung parang mukhang tilapia pero color orange siya. At saka, pampano. Ayan. At ito, yung sinasabi ko. Ayan. So, parang mukha siyang tilapia pero orange. At saka, ayun. At saka, binigay silang free na shell. Pero konti na lang kasi, hindi na, late na kasi kami dumating kanina sa palengke. Kaya, konti na lang din yung naabutan namin. Pero ito, binigay niya na lang na free. Kasi ito na lang yung naiwan. Ayan, so umpisa na natin, guys. So, may pagkain pa kami. So, hindi ko alam kung magluluto ng tanghalian kasi may ulam pa na niluto si mama kagabi. Kaso nga lang, hindi namin nakain. So, maybe, ito na lang, iluluto. Tapos yung isda, mamayang gabi na lang. Hello, guys! So, yan, nakaluto na si mother. And supposedly, maliligo muna ako bago kami kumain. Kaso na-distract ako, guys. So, hindi ako nakaligo. So, kain tayo, guys. Si Mary lang ang napaliguan. Ayan, let's eat. Ang ulam natin ngayon, Alright, so this is our ulam. A shell and gulay. So, may kamatis dito na may
Hindi ka pa
itlog.
nag-pray, Mary.
And talong. And Mary is eating na. Let's pray, guys.
A few moments later.
Ah.
Hello guys! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Parkson. Ayan, at ikagala natin sila mama at papa sa mall. Ayan, mall dito sa Laos. Mall dito sa Vientiane.
I said something to you, but I was walking and I didn't remember it. I just do that.
You gulat?
Yes, I just gone and
Blurred,
it's
blurred.
funny.
Hindi makita.
And Bubble.
Yeah, Thunderland. Alright, so iniintay namin yung elevator guys na bumukas.
Mama, 5 years old.
Punta kami doon sa first floor. Yes.
5 years old. I'm 5 years old.
No, fifth floor. This is the ground floor, first floor, second floor. Ganon yun, fifth floor.
Oh.
Alright guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa first floor. Pupunta natin ang ating mga kapatid dahil nandun sila sa Loteria. At hindi pa sila kumain. Pero kami, kumain na guys! Ayan, so maglilibot-libot na lang tayo. Ayan, si Mama, tinutulak, si Papa. Sur-sur manen dahil Sabado. Walang pasok. Yes!
Mama, but I want to see.
Later, Mary. We still gonna go
I
there.
want to buy it. I want to buy toys.
Happy Valentine's! Yeah. Wala, ito na yung mall namin. Ito na yung mall dito sa Vientiane. Walang masyadong laman.
Second floor tayo. May ikot.
Wala din namang sa labas eh. Walang event. Kaya konti ang tao dito kasi walang event. Peekaboo daw. Mary.
Uy!
Sama niya. Alright, so nandito kami ngayon sa Vientiane Center. Yes, sister. Gusto niya lagi puto bomber siya. Dalang dalawa. Kaya. Seryoso. Yan, tapos na kaming mag-shopping. Nakapag-ukay na kami. Ayan. Nandito na kami ngayon sa loob ng Vientiane Center. Madami pala silang mga dito, oh. Tinda, oh. May tinda din pala dito sa loob. Sa second floor. Doon. Sa gilid.
The next day.
Alam niya na, alam niya. Ay!
Wipe mo. Pares kayo may sipon eh. Thank you.
Alam niya na.
Asing kayo, 5 little monkey.
Rabbit, monkey, jump away.
Not too fast, ah. Look, you look like a monkey na, Mary.
Whoa.
You look like a monkey.
Jumping on the...
About the world so high,
Eat mo na.
like a diamond dust. Happy when skies are gray, you never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take the sunshine away.
Mary, alam mo yung see you later?
See you later, alligator. I know what crocodile.
Give a high, lay the vibe, blow a kiss, jellyfish. See you soon, big baboon out the door. Baboon.
Malamig.
Baboon is
Kaya,
a monkey.
Merong maliit lang ba yan? Hindi malamig. Mary.
The ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. The mommy duck said, one, four little duck came back one day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, four little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Duck said,
And only, and only. Oh,
Why?
what happened? Kamay niya, anak. Yung kamay niya naipit.
Eat na eat. Are you scared? Baka dito ouchie na yung likod niya, bebe.
Ano niya din eh.
Uy! Ayun na yung...
Ay, may ano pa pala aking movie.
Ay, mga ashes.
Naka-Ash Wednesday kami. Akala ko yung nilagyan ni Father dito sa tuktok kanina. Kasi ginanon niya dito pala sa ulo. Si Mary sa ulo. Hello guys!
Daddy, I love you.
May music naman.
You know that I love you too. No, 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 no. I love you now.
No, 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 no. Ano, no, no, no.
Itong dalawa nag-i-enjoy talaga itong dalawang to.
Dance.
Ano? Shoko, I don't want to sit on the high chair. You said you're a big sister. Oh, see? Oh, sabi niya.
Butchi, 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 a butchi, 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 a butchi, 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 a butchi, butchi.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it is just.
Hello guys, welcome to our video. You know, we have fun today. You know what we have fun today? You want to know? Yes? Okay, I'm gonna tell you. We walk around and we buy some juice, shake, we buy like that. After that, I ride my bike in the road, but not in the middle. It's very dangerous. The car passed with not your parents. That didn't happen to me because I was inside. But you know, my grandpa stayed in the house because my daddy used the car. The wheelchair is with my daddy in the car. We cannot know how to drive in the motorbike. And you know what's up? We don't know where Papa goes. See? That's why we might be lost. Okay? Bye bye, guys. I'll go to our next.